Mari cooking. Today we're gonna cook Khachapuri. For Khachapuri you will need milk, water, sugar, yeast, flour, salt, oil, cheese, butter, yolks. So first of all, heat milk. And water to a barely warm state, 2-3 minutes maximum. To warm milk and water, add sugar, yeast, mix thoroughly, add salt, sifted flour, mix everything again. Continue to add all flour, knead the dough. In the end, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix the oil with dough. Form the round shape. Cover the dough. And leave it in a warm place for 1 hour. While the dough rests, rub the cheese on the grater. After 1 hour, the dough will increase in size in 3 times. It will be very spongy and soft. Place the dough on the table, add a little bit of flour, divide it into 2 parts. Then roll out lightly. Spread the cheese on the dough. Wrap the cheese in the dough. Close the dough tight. Prepare the baking dish. Place khachapuri upside down on the form. Make a cut. And form the boat shape. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Make a hole in the center and add butter and yolks. Bake another 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Khachapuri is ready. In the end, mix yolk with butter and cheese. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button.